to your mouth when your voice is low. You'd freak out if I ever get busted by another me, no matter what the cost is. We're inseparable.